lot to say, don't you? Don't you? You have a lot to say. Oh boy. Squealy squealy. I'm staying overnight at a farm in Old Fort, Tennessee. Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. I hope you had a great week. Thanks for coming back to the channel. And if you're new here, my name is Vic and I'm a full-time nomad currently traveling around the North American continent. Welcome to my channel. Let's go check out this barn. Wow, look at this. This is pretty wild in here, huh? Hey, say something for the little guys. Hey, little piglet. Aren't you cute? Hey. Hi, Mr. Adventure. Hello. Aren't you brave? Oh boy. Hi, Mama. Hi, beautiful Mama. Look at you. Look at you with all your little piglets. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hi. Aren't you beautiful? Look at you. I wonder what kind of pig you are. No bites. No bites. Okay, so I am in for the night at this Tennessee mountain farm. And I'm definitely staying inside. I peeked outside. It's like pitch black outside. There's like no moon. I think there might be a bit of a cloud cover, but it's really dark. And all you can hear is like sounds of the pigs, and you can hear like crickets. And once in a while I hear a really strange sound. It's kind of spooky. Now, I've got some dried cranberries. I like cranberries. All right. Put a few cranberries on there. And then I like to put like 2 Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts have iron. And then some walnuts. Just a few. And then some pumpkin seeds. Right. And lastly, I want to put some, I like little fried onions on my salad. Maybe it's like the sweet, salty thing going. Now I need dressing. All right. And I got this at this farm store. I got this miso sesame scallion vinaigrette. It's really good. All right. Not too much because then it drowns. Okay. There's my salad. You want some? Here you go. All right. Yum, yum, yum. I kind of like eating salads later in the day. I mean, I like to stop eating by like 6 o'clock because I definitely don't like going to sleep like full. I never sleep well when I do that. I mean, this combination of celery, Swiss cheese, cranberry, nuts, green apple, microgreens, and this kind of miso sesame, and the onions, the fried onions. It's really yummy. I'm very much enjoying this salad. I love the fact that this traveling around, I get to come across so many great farms. And I mean, I just get access to really good, fresh eggs, meat, cheese, yogurt, vegetables, fruit. I still have to buy like nuts and, I mean, certain things like, I don't know, like berries, certain berries like blueberries, and I buy freeze-dried blueberries because I can't always get fresh blueberries. Excuse me. Time to do the dishes. And that means, because we're traveling and I don't have water in my tanks right now, the old white vinegar method of dishwashing. Spray. Get your paper towels and then wipe it down. And I do like to do the metal stuff a couple of times. It's not perfect, but you know, when you're on the road, you got to come up with different methods of both saving water and getting the job done. I swear the invention of the spray bottle saves me. And I do like to have this wood plates. It's very thin and very light. And for this method of cleaning, it works well. And that's it. The dishes are done. Forgot I have to brush my teeth. Water. More dishes. So I put a paper towel in there and and that's it, voila. I mean, I don't want to put this down into my gray tank. And for those of you that don't know what a gray tank is, it's basically all my dirty water. So I kind of like to minimize the stuff that goes down there. I mean, I'll wash my face with soap but I don't know. My brushing of my teeth, I feel more comfortable not putting that down the gray tank. Oh, I'm tired. It was a long drive today, and I got a long drive tomorrow. And remember, I take the back roads, so what might be like a 3-hour interstate straight shot drive is like 4 or 5 hours for me, because I want to see the country. I don't want to just be on interstates all the time. So I had a very nice stay at the Tennessee Mountain Farm. I kind of had fun checking out and playing with the pigs and the piglets. It's pretty cool. I love going to places with animals. It's so fun. But yeah, that was kind of cool. On to the next.